Hey everyone, it's time for that October 2021 Charlotte real estate housing market update. Stick around as I tell you about it now. I'm Shane Gordon, a real estate agent here in Charlotte, North Carolina with eXp Realty. If you're new to my channel, you'll find that I post videos weekly about moving to Charlotte and its surrounding areas. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos every Thursday about the real estate market and things to do here in the Charlotte area, and to see why Charlotte's such a great place to live. It also helps support my channel, so I'd appreciate it. Now for the reason you're here. Every month I go over important data for you so you can get a better understanding of what's going on in the market here in the Charlotte region. Keep in mind that the data presented here is from the previous month of October, and some of the numbers are rounded up just to keep it simpler. And with that being said, let's get started. October sales did slip for a second consecutive month, down 5.3% versus October of 2020. However, we are still up for the year at 9.4%. And as I've mentioned in past videos, this time of year, buyers and sellers with families are still settling into the new routines, whether it's school, fall activities, and especially with the holidays coming up. So the average prices in October were up 9.7% versus October 2020, with the average prices of the homes being at $389,000 versus $354,600 in 2020. So new listing activity did cool a little bit this past October versus October of 2020, where we were actually down 5%. However, year-to-date figures do show that for the year we are up 4.3% with listings when compared to activity from January to October of 2020. These continued gains show that seller confidence is steady and favorable, and this is great news for buyers. Pending sales activity, which gauges buyer demand, is up 5.7% when compared to figures of 2020. When comparing this past October's pending sales to those pending sales of October 2020, you will see that we are up 5.6%. What this means is that for the next few months, sales should remain steady. Inventory continues to be critically low here in the Charlotte region. We're actually down 37% versus the same time frame of last year. We are actually sitting at about 24 days of inventory on hand, which has been consistent for the past few months now. Because of this, we are continuing to see record lows for days on market. Just this past October, we were just seeing 17 days average for days on market for home sales. With inventory and supply as it is, it's going to continue to impact those prices, especially with the increased competition among buyers out there. Because of this, sellers are continuing to receive over asking price at 100.4% over that asking price. I know I say this every month, but it's very important for anybody interested in buying or selling a home to make sure they start preparing to determine what their financial position is. Buyers specifically need to understand that mortgage pre-approval or finances need to be ready to be put in place and ready to show that seller, so the seller understands that you're ready to buy the home. With the increased competition of buyers, which could lead to multiple offers, you want to make sure you can provide that seller with the smoothest transition possible. Because of this, it is suggested that you connect with a realtor such as myself to help you navigate through the complexities of this market. I know this might be a lot to take in, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. If you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. And if you are looking for more information about the Charlotte area, please go ahead and check out this video up here. See you next time. Have a great day. Take care.